Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Is vegetable and seed oil bad for you? The consumption of vegetable oils has increased dramatically in the past century. Most mainstream health professionals consider them healthy, but vegetable oils may cause health problems. Their health effects vary depending on what fatty acids they contain, what plants they are extracted from, and how they are processed. Are vegetable and seed oils bad for your health? What are they and how are they made? Edible oils extracted from plants are commonly known as vegetable oils. In addition to their use in cooking and baking, they're found in processed foods, including salad dressings, margarine, mayonnaise, and cookies. Common vegetable oils include soybean oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Refined vegetable oils were not available until the 20th century, when the technology to extract them became available. These are extracted from plants using either a chemical solvent or oil mill. Then they are often purified, refined, and sometimes chemically altered. Consumption has increased drastically. In the past century, the consumption of vegetable oils has increased, at the expense of other fats like butter. They are often labeled heart healthy, and recommended as an alternative to sources of saturated fat, such as butter, lard, and tallow. The reason vegetable oils are considered heart healthy is that studies consistently link polyunsaturated fat to a reduced risk of heart problems, compared with saturated fat. You may want to avoid vegetable oils high in omega-6. It's important to note that not all plant oils are bad for your health. For example, coconut oil and olive oil are both excellent choices. Both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids, meaning that you need some of them in your diet, because your body can't produce them. Throughout evolution, humans got omega-3 and omega-6 in a certain ratio. While this ratio differed between populations, it's estimated to have been about 1:1. Scientists have hypothesized that too much omega-6 relative to omega-3 may contribute to chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is an underlying factor in some of the most common Western diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. However, these associations don't necessarily imply a causal relationship. Studies investigating the effects of omega-6 fat consumption generally do not support the idea that these fats increase inflammation. For instance, eating a lot of linoleic acid, which is the most common omega-6 fat, doesn't appear to affect blood levels of inflammatory markers. These oils are easily oxidized. The problem with polyunsaturated fats is that all these double bonds make them susceptible to oxidation. The fatty acids react with oxygen in the atmosphere and start deteriorating. The fat you eat isn't only stored as fat tissue or burned for energy, it's also incorporated into cell membranes. If you have a lot of polyunsaturated fatty acids in your body, your cell membranes are more sensitive to oxidation. In short, you have a very high level of fragile fatty acids that can easily be degraded to form harmful compounds. Vegetable oils and heart disease. Health professionals often recommend vegetable oils for those at risk of heart disease. The reason is that vegetable oils are generally low in saturated fat and high in polyunsaturated fat. The benefits of reduced saturated fat intake are controversial. However, studies show that replacing saturated fat with polyunsaturated fat reduces the risk of heart problems by 17%, but it has no significant effects on the risk of death from heart disease. Furthermore, omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids appear to have a greater benefit than omega-6. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.